I'm an up and coming real estate guy, right? I'm 27 years old, 30 years old. I'm trying to figure out my next move. What words of wisdom would you give to me to influence me to get me into the real estate game?
Yeah, not a problem, man. The first thing, man, I always like to say, what are your goals? Because, I want to ensure that one, I'm a good match for you if you're working with me. And then the second thing too is, if you're not, I just want you to have a vision of what you want your life to look like, and then you strategize. So the best thing that I can do and tell a person to say, hey, I want to get in is, man, pick up a book that got to do with real estate. I don't give a crap what it is. It could be Rich Dad, Poor Dad. It could be First Time Landlord. Whatever it is, get into it, because you need to start to learn the terminology, and you also need to learn how to analyze deals. All right. The biggest thing that you can learn is not what the property look like, because you can see a property that looks gorgeous. You can see a property that look ugly, but the one that's ugly is the one you should purchase because of the numbers. So it's a big time numbers game. And, and I would sit there and just say, just pick up a book and start to get active. That's the first thing that I would sit there and tell anybody. I don't care what the book is. Like, it's 1,000 of them. Something out of every book, you want to learn something out of it.
Nice.